Hey guys, Debamitra one more time. A very warm welcome to all of you in my session. Okay, so right now I am going to talk about some thoughts that can make your life positive. Because being an influencer, it's my duty to give you that positive thoughts. Okay, so what our life is. Okay, you are never too old to set another goal or dream uh, or a new journey to start a new journey of your life. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Okay. In every day there are 1440 minutes. That means we have 1440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. It makes a big difference in your life when you stay positive. The sun himself is weak when he first rises, and gathers strength and courage as the day gets on. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is the little extra. It always seems impossible until it is done. So you always pass failure on the way of to success. Hard work keeps the wrinkles out of the mind and spirit. Success is the sum of all efforts repeated day in and day out. If opportunity doesn't work, build a door. If you think you are capable enough to do anything, never miss that opportunity to prove yourself. Life is nothing but getting better and better day by day. We all are learners. We all are learning through our experiences about life, about society, about culture. So if today I am sitting over here and I'm talking with you and I'm sharing my knowledge, that is not because the for today. I have gained the experience from my life. I have gained the experience from my career path. And in that career path, I have faced so many things. There are loads of things I have faced, I have recognized. Sometimes I didn't recognize. Sometimes people gave me the opportunity to prove myself. Sometimes after doing very good job, I have not received any opportunity to prove myself. But that doesn't matter, guys, because if there is someone who is trying and continuously evolving herself or himself, it is the process of the betterment that one day you will get the chance to prove yourself. And uh, there are so many ways, hundred, more than thousand ways to prove yourself if you're actually trying. So guys, don't waste time. Always keep trying, and only that process of trying can help us to grow, because that knowledge, that time, maybe the first time we can be failure, the second time we can be failure, maybe third time also we can be failure. But after having like, two times, three times, four times failure, one day we will get the success. In my childhood days, I have read one story of a spider who was trying to get over in that wall, trying to crawl the wall, and he was not able to do that. And more than he was, but it was keep trying and trying and trying, and after having a long time, that spider got that opportunity to climb up the wall. From that story, that one king was there, and he was watching that spider struggle. The king was that time in a very bad condition of his life, because he lost his kingdom. And after seeing that process, he get that confidence upon him that he can also climb up whatever hurdles will come in his life. So in my childhood days, I read that story, and that makes a very big impact in my mind. So right now we are in that process like that spider. Okay, we all are trying to catch up with the situation, we all are trying to cope up with the situation whatever we are facing in our life. It may be a crisis period of any kind of crisis period in our life. It can be financial struggle, it can be physical struggle, it can be mental struggle, but that doesn't matter if we have that skill that we can do it. And each and every day is a new opportunity for us. So don't be disheartened if first time you get failure, that means that is the first way of your success, the first ladder you have already stepped in. But because in that process, in that struggle, when you got rejected, you gain that knowledge how to get successful. Because that time you can only find out your drawbacks, in which part you are not, uh, you don't get that opportunity. So guys, find out the drawbacks in yourself. We all have drawbacks. Without drawbacks, we are not, we are, we can't say that we don't have any drawbacks. There is no one that person is perfect. Perfection is just a myth, guys. We all are evolving, we all are learning, and we all are gaining that confidence to be more perfect. And in our life journey, struggling is a very major part. I'm not saying that everyone needs to be struggled, I am not saying that, but we have, we all have our own stories. Okay, and in that story we all are heroes, and we all are struggling for our own self. So don't feel like I am that person, I don't have any opportunity, or I don't have that way, I don't know what is the way to get over all those things, or the daily pressure of daily life, the uh, shades of daily life. Because if you are in that mental state that whatever life will give us, I will receive it in a very good way, then everything will be very good with you. Because good time and bad time is the circle of our life. So we can't be far away from this circle, because in each and every person's life, okay, we are facing the same thing. Maybe your struggle is different from me. Maybe your struggle is different from any other person, but we all have that. So kindly overcome the struggles, overcome the uh, hurdles, and in life we need to shine, because that is the only way to prove ourselves. People will come, people will go, some people will give a very good impact in your life, some people will make a very make bad impact in your life, but that doesn't matter. Everything is experience of you, experience of your life. And whatever experience you gain, it will be the another milestone for in your way of success. Because from that mistake or from that success, you will learn how to cope up with situations and how to make your mind against any odds. Okay, so be that person who can do everything. I'm not saying that you need to do everything, but make that mindset that if there is any need to prove myself, I can do it. Okay, and uh, about PCS Global, we are always here to help you. We are providing the trainings, we are providing the grooming classes, we are providing the uh, online classes about courses. There is short-term courses, there is long-term courses. Any kind of support, any kind of mental health issues, any kind of physical health issues, if you want to discuss with us, if you want to know about how to protect yourself from people, how to be a good person, how to prove yourself, I am here to help you. Devamitra Banerjee is always here to help you guys, because I know personally life is not so easy for everyone. So don't bother about sharing your stories with us, and don't bother of sharing your personal experiences with us. because being an influencer, being an motivator, it's my duty to uh, give you that proper support. So I am always here, and from my side there is a soul gratitude to all of you who is listening me, who is giving me that confidence that I have some value. Whatever I am saying that is making any difference in your life, or that value addition in your life. So kindly guys keep supporting me, and I'll be always there for you. And whenever you need, kindly share your thoughts, your way of thinking. If there is any kind of negative thoughts in your mind, kindly talk with me. Because being a motivator, I will always try to help you. And about career, PCS Global is here, and in PCS Global, there are so many capable people who are giving that proper knowledge to you. So kindly gather that knowledge and get that information, whatever is perfect for your future. If you don't have that proper vision, we are here to help you. So guys, think about life, think about good things, think about your passion, and be a part of PCS Global. Make yourself a better person and give another people the chance to make their life. Okay, so this is for today's session. So bye for now, guys. Okay, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment.